This looks like playing, fun and excitement, and I'm really dying to know what you can experience here. Yes, playing is not a bad description. We develop game development technology from the world of consumer games to produce an integral customer experience, a complete customer journey, everything that a customer experiences before, during and after their drive, to depict as a prototype. That means it's in development. And when will it be ready? It's a prototype vehicle that we're establishing now for all vehicles that are coming out in the next years at BMW, and that will keep developing further. Can I try it out now? You absolutely have to, that's why you're here. You should also have this customer experience. Oh wow, okay. You're gone. I'm gone. I'm not there because I've got white hands. Gloves, probably. You're at the airport, I hope? Yes, all on my own. You're all on your own in your car at the airport. And the drive is just starting now? Nice. The radio isn't there in reality. The iDrive control is there. It's still on zero, though. That was a speed bump. Okay, amazing. I told you, we create the complete experience here. Yeah, it's really brilliant fun. What's the next stage? Yes, we're working at making the experience even better. Of course, we're using it intensively to answer the questions of the future better. Catchphrase being autonomous driving, self-driving. What must a BMW interior look like to make both possible? That sounds really exciting. I'm looking forward to it. I'll try it out myself. Many, many thanks. Come on by. Yes, I will. I'm next.